Do you remember when Nick Cannon tried to roast Snoop Dogg on live television and Snoop didn't even flinch?
Big Snoop Dogg, I know you represent the hood, acting like everything is really all good. You a G and a gangster. Wait, hold up, is that Suge?
Okay. Can I say something?
Say what you say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me just mix the game up quick and talk about Nick. I heard that Nick was addicted to, but let me just keep it on the low. Keep it so hard. I seen you on Santa Monica Boulevard.